You have to be with sir. He is going to come here. The topic is very mature one. Okay, you have to take care this, and the audience will listen to them very carefully, and you have to ask questions also. Is it necessary to be a boy in the family? Is it necessary to be a boy in the family, or is it necessary to have a boy in the family? Okay, some people believe that no, girls are, means nowadays girls have got the sufficient potential to support a family. There is no need of the boy. Still, some people believe that no, boy is a boy. Okay, so you have to express your opinion. First, you have to go for the group discussion like this. Means you have to speak your point. Then you have to, means one by one. One, second, third, fourth. Okay. After that, audience will ask and you have to reply. So let's begin with Sam.
In my opinion, only not boy is mandatory. Boy and girl both must be in family. Because if boy, okay, but boy would be, sorry, everybody make priority कि boy should be in our family because boys earn the money and also once girl has get married, so then he has to leave their home, parental home. They have to switch their family with the in-laws families. So then families become so lonely. So that's why boys would require, even though it could be chances, boy will not give same help which take care which parents did in case of matlab why they are parenting. But I think boy must be in single. But it's not कि you should die the you should not you should die the girls before the born. So, but you should not commit. Second, who will be that?
So, like, I just want to share, as you said, uh, like, there is no need of boy in the family. If, like, suppose there are, if we take the example of other country, they are spending their whole life with just one animal, and you are saying like boy is for just earning. Reality is that girls are more self-independent.
But once he get married, then who will? Girls never give money.
Once the
Their
boy,
parents.
once the boy get married,
Also not
what they did, they just send their uh, parents to their old age home.
But there is a possibility boy can take care. But in case of girl, girl never
Girl
take
also
care.
take care.
But,
Girl have a more attachment with their parents.
but it's only financial or emotionally attachment. They will
Emotionally,
support, but they will not
your
financially support.
why do you think at the age of 60 you will need the financial support? Yeah, you have to drive Lamborghini at the age of 60.
At the age of
At the age of 60, just you have to take care. You just have love and take care.
but
You
love
just
and
know.
not care, we can't decide. It's no certainty whether I will die first, whether my parents will die. So it could not. Punit will give the answer.
No, answer whatever you.
Okay.
So I'm in his team and he was in the favor boy, so I'm also in the favor boy. So I think yes, boy is more important in our family because of the financial support to the family. Once the